there! Have you ever wondered about that one superfood that might just be slipping under your radar? Well, today, let's dive into the world of wild rice and discover why it should be a staple in your diet. Unlike its name suggests, wild rice isn't actually rice. Surprise! It's a grass that grows naturally in shallow waters. Now, why am I so excited about this? Because wild rice is packed with incredible nutritional benefits that can revolutionize your health. First off, wild rice boasts a high protein content, which is rare for plant foods. It's also rich in fiber, which means it's fantastic for your digestive health. But that's not all. Wild rice is loaded with antioxidants that help fight free radicals, making it a warrior against aging and diseases. Now, let's talk about heart health. Wild rice is a heart's best friend due to its low sodium and high magnesium content. These nutrients help maintain healthy blood pressure levels and prevent cardiovascular diseases. And for those managing diabetes, wild rice has a lower glycemic index than most grains, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. But how does it taste, you ask? Wild rice has a unique nutty flavor that adds a delightful crunch to any meal. It's versatile too. You can toss it into a salad, stir it into a hearty soup, or simply serve it as a side dish. Incorporating wild rice into your diet isn't just a step towards healthier eating, it's a stride towards a more vibrant, energetic life. So why not give it a try? Experiment with this amazing superfood and let your body reap the benefits. Remember, taking care of your body is taking care of your life. Embrace foods like wild rice that nourish and sustain you. Until next time, keep exploring the treasures of nature and keep thriving. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and insights. See you in the next video.